You have a project management application hosted entirely within Microsoft Teams, created by using Microsoft Power Apps. You need to build a Power BI report that connects to the project management application. Which connector should you choose? Option A, Microsoft Teams Personal Analytics. Option B, SQL Server Database. Option C, Dataverse. Option D, Data Flows.
This question focuses on how Power Apps applications built and hosted within Microsoft Teams store their data. When building solutions in Teams using Power Apps, a specific back-end data storage mechanism is automatically utilized. We need to identify which Power BI connector bridges the gap to query and visualize that specific back-end data source correctly.
I believe the correct answer is option C, Dataverse. When a Power Apps application is hosted in Microsoft Teams, its underlying data source is Microsoft Dataverse for Teams. Therefore, to connect a Power BI report to the application and access its data, you must use the Dataverse connector.
IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Reads the question and explains the correct answer. Options A, B, and D are incorrect because they do not connect directly to the underlying storage of a Teams-hosted Power App. Personal Analytics, SQL Server, and Data Flows do not map to the default built-in data storage used by Power Apps within Microsoft Teams for this scenario.